Hello and welcome back again to my channel. Today we are going to make another granny square. It is so simple and easy to make. You can make use of any yarn of your choice depending on what you will be making. But for this tutorial, I am going to use this 8-ply cotton with my 3.5mm crochet hook. So let's get started. Make your slip knot and chain 5. Now we need to form a ring and slip stitch on the very last chain. So we have formed a quite small ring in here. Chain 3. Our chain 3 counts as our first double crochet, and we're going to make 15 more double crochet on the ring for a total of 16 double crochets. So once you have your 16 double crochet, we are going to make slip stitch to close our first round. For the next round, chain 4. This chain 4 is 1 double crochet in a chain of 1. And then we're going to make 1 double crochet in the next double crochet. So this is just to repeat. Again, 1 double crochet on the next chain. Chain 1, again double crochet on the next, chain 1 again, and repeat all the way around. When you reach the end, we are going to find our chain 3, 1, 2, 3 on the third chain. Actually, this is chain 4, but we're going to make our slip stitch on the third chain. For the next round, we're going to make a slip stitch on the chain 1 space. And chain 3. Again, our chain 3 counts as our first double crochet. Make 1 double crochet on the same chain. Make 1 double crochet on the chain 1 space. Chain 2. And 2 more double crochet on the same chain 1 space. Chain 1. Make 1 half double crochet in the next chain 1 space. Chain 1, 1 single crochet on the next chain 1 space, chain 1, and then again 1 half double crochet on the next chain 1 space. chain 1, and on the next chain 1 space we're going to make 2 double crochets, chain 2, 2 more double crochets on the same chain 1 space. So this will serve as our corner. Chain 1, 1 half double crochet on the next chain 1 space, chain 1, 1 single crochet on the next, chain 1, 1 half double crochet on the next chain 1 space, chain 1, and now we are on our third corner, so we're going to do the same thing, 2 double crochets, chain 2, 2 double crochets, and then chain 1, and then again on the next until we finish our round. So now we are on our last side for our square. So we made a chain of 1 and 1 half double crochet on the next chain 1 space, chain 1, 1 single crochet on the next chain 1, and then on the last one we're going to make 1 half double crochet and a chain of 1. And now we are ready to slip stitch on the third chain that we made. So we started with the circle, now we formed our granny square. On the next round we need to make a slip stitch until we reach the chain 2 space. Chain 3, and we're going to repeat our 2 double crochets, chain 2 and 2 double crochets. That will be in every corner. Chain 2, and we're going to work 1 half double crochet in every chain 1 space, so that will be 4 times, 1, 2, 3 and 4. One half double crochets in every chain 1 space, chain 2, again 1 half double crochet, chain 2, 1/2 double crochet again, chain 2, 1/2 double crochet, chain 2, and we're going to repeat our corner. So this will be our repeat on all sides and in every corner. So now we are done with all our sides. All we need to do is slip stitch, and again slip stitch until we reach the chain 2 space, and we're going to do the same thing on the corner. Chain 3, 1 double crochet, chain 2, and then 2 more double crochets. Next, on our chain 2 space, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 chain 2 space. We're going to make 2 double crochets in every space. So 2, 4, 6, 8, and 10. So this will be your repeat. So this will be our repeat until you reach the first corner that we made. So again, on the corner, 2 double crochets, chain 2, 2 double crochets, and again 2 double crochets in every chain 2 space. So now we are done with our last side, and all we need to do is slip stitch to join. So on our next round, we're just going to make 1 double crochet in every double crochet of the previous round. So we're going to start by making our chain 3, which will count as our first double crochet, 1 double crochet on the next double crochet on top of the next double crochet. On our corner, we're going to make 2 double crochets, chain 3 instead of chain 2, and then 2 more double crochets. And continue doing 1 double crochet on top of every double crochet until you reach the last double crochet before you reach the chain 2 space. Alright, so that will be our repeat. So 1 double crochet on top of all the double crochets of our previous round. So when we reach our corner again, we're going to make 2 double crochets. Chain 3 and 2 more double crochets on the same chain 2 space. So you just have to repeat on all 3 sides, and we're going to slip stitch when we reach the end. And when we reach the end, all we have to do is slip stitch to close our round. You can stop right here. You can just fasten off and cut your yarn, or you can do the next round of single crochet. So all you have to do is make 1 single crochet on top of our double crochet, making 5 single crochet in every corner. So chain 1. Our chain 1 will not count as a stitch, so go back on the same chain and make 1 single crochet, and make 1 single crochet on top of all the double crochets. But on our corner, we're going to make 5 single crochets. And then continue with 1 single crochet in every chain. So this will be our repeat. As I've said, you have the option not to make this final single crochet round. So just repeat your single crochet in every chain, and then 5 single crochets on all of our corners. So I have reached my end, and I'm just going to make 1 slip stitch to join, and I'm ready to fasten off and cut my yarn. So there you have it. I hope you enjoyed our tutorial for today. Stay safe, everyone. Happy crocheting. See you on my next video, and God bless.